Me and Salento off the Duck Airsoft team. We're recording a match down by the path in our local town. We're playing Airsoft. The teams are, it was me. I'm wearing a dead rag because I'm filming. I'm not playing because my friend Nick, his contour died. So it's us. It was me, Ben, and Will versus the new recruit James with the zombie eliminator.
His new equipment is coming in the mail.
And the second new recruit, Nick. He has his full gear. It's pretty. Kind of makes me sick, but you know.
He's got Turtle Beaches on.
Yeah, he's wearing Turtle Beaches. Leave him on. Leave him on.
I'm not sure if you know about Turtle Beaches, but they're for Xbox.
Yeah, Xbox.
They're like, it's a mic.
And PC.
We'll have their loadout videos coming at you soon because James, I picked his stuff out for him.
Turtle Beaches are for everything.
And then all right,
the
shut up. And then I ordered him he's gonna order his stuff soon. You gotta order that shit soon.
Yeah, I know, I'm ordering tonight.
And if they shoot me, I'm gonna spread their cheeks bare ass and light them up.
Yeah, the ball sack gets to be
no ball sack covering.
Damn it, I'm getting an M4.
Wait, when are we
M4 carbine.
M4 carbine.
Which one?
Bravo.
This fell apart.
Sucks. All right, so just remember what happens if I get hit. I'm just gonna be walking back and forth. I have flat on, so no one should shoot me. I have a dead rag. Here, if you guys can see that.
So what are we doing? So we're doing no blitz. So we're just doing straight.
Yeah, I do have iPro on because you always want to have that just in case. And then there's Nick. He has his mic on. All right. So do not shoot me. Yes.
Cover our paw. We're gonna be doing something really cool.
You're what?
Like stay near us. Watch us.
No woods. I can't film.
I know we're not doing wood.
Okay.
Like is this little area right here good?
No. If you move past like this tree, then you're fucked.
All right.
All right, because no wood. Right? Yeah, no full auto. You lit me up full auto, but then I put a mag into him, and I wouldn't stop shooting. It was funny.
My arm is swollen.
Yo, you're attacking, guys. All right, they're gonna go back there. You can't like move up, all right? You can't like run.
Is this thing on?
Yeah, it's
Watch
on.
Your paw. We're doing something really cool.
Your pav? He means point of view. He's just gay.
Yeah. You're gonna push since you're the I'm gonna be behind you and stack on. All right, I'm gonna take you right up with you. Yeah. I'll just walk.
Get ready.
Yo, Damien, is it like good if we go like right there?
Past the pot plants?
Yeah, past the pot plants.
No. I'll say when to go. I'm the ref. You shoot me, you're getting really badly hurt.
Damien, can we take this? Damien!
Yeah.
Yeah, don't stand near that.
I have plaid on and a dead rag. And a camera.
Damien.
Yeah.
And shoes!
Yeah, it's fine.
And shoes. Yeah, you call the game, right?
Yeah. All right.
Now wait for them to get in their spot. We're pushing up.
Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. No. Move up. James is dry firing.
What?
James is dry firing. He was a minute ago. There we go. If you guys didn't notice, Will hit James. James is out and they're pushing up on. They're pushing up on Nick. I'm coming forward. Don't shoot me. I'm on the left. I'm coming forward. Get away from me, Ben. You can't talk, James. Hey, Nick. Huh?
Are they both alive?
Yeah. You got this, Nick.
I'm not playing right now. Yeah, Damien, is gun hit or respawn?
Yeah.
Respawning. Oh, respawn. It's a gun hit. James, what are you?
Nick is dropping his mags.
I'm out of ammo.
Yo, just pick your mags up.
What?
You have a pistol.
I don't have a pistol. Ben broke it.
All right, that's game. Nick's empty. Are you empty? Don't you carry like 10 mags? Did you what?
Did I shoot Ben?
Yeah.
Alright, did I shoot Will?
Yeah, but that was a gun hit.
I'm sure I hit him. I just
Nick wins?
No, who responded?
Oh, you gotta read.
Wait, there's a car. I'm dead.
He's out of ammo.
How many mags do you have? 6! I forgot to reload them!
Idiot. Let me just get a close up on Nick's position in a second. James is dead. James has been dead.
I'm wearing sweatpants because I don't have my multi-cam. Damien, is a gun hit like an auto respawn?
Yeah.
You got my gun a couple times. I did? Yeah.
You only have one gun hit respawn though.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
I didn't know where to go.
This is the first match. See you guys in the next one.
I don't know where